Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a book cover in Adobe Express app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Adobe Express app. So I'm going to click on the Adobe Express app. So as you can see, now it's open. As you can see, you have to scroll from here. If you scroll, you will get the book cover option here. So we have to click on the book cover, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the option for double to tap and X, all options are provided here. But we are going to back again, and as you can see, now let's go to the home, and now here we have to click, and now simply we have to search for the book cover. So I'm going to search for the book cover, and then simply we have to hit the search. And after clicking on the search, as you can see, after searching, there are a lot of template designs will be displayed here. Now we have to choose that which type of cover you want. For example, I want this one, so I'm going to click on this, and let's click on the remix this template, and we have to click on it. And after that, you will be redirected to the editing mode, so we have to wait for a few seconds. It's up to your internet speed. So as you can see, it's here. Now simply if you want to edit this, you have to click on this and double tap on it. As you can see, here's the book club option. For example, I want right here the computer. So as you can see, now it's done, and let's click on this, and as you can see, now it's done. And if you drag this, and if you want to decrease the size of this, and you can adjust this here. So as you can see, you can edit each and everything. If you want to replace the image, if you want to delete the image, and restore background, and all the things are, and all options are provided here. You can control them, edit them, you can change the color of each and everything. So in this way you can create a book cover in Adobe Express app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.